Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks.
Hello, I'm Chef Michael with Chef Michael's Food Hacks, and we're back. Told you we were going to do something with the chickpeas. These are the chickpeas I cooked in the pressure cooker. Came out fantastic. I dried them off a little bit, let them cool. Now, what I'm going to do now, this is so easy. It's chickpeas. This is a copper baking pan, by the way. Chickpeas. A little bit of olive oil. It would help if I take the cap off, right? So a little bit of olive oil, maybe a tablespoon. All right, this is about 2 cups of chickpeas. Then I'm going to take some Creole seasoning, sprinkle that on. Then I'm going to toss these really easily, just like this, okay? Now, in Creole seasoning, in Chef Michael's magic oven, which is right here, I already have some cooking. These are called Krispy Creole chickpeas. Can you say that 3 times fast? Anyway, I'm going to take these now. I'm going to put them in. This is a 350-degree oven because it's on convection. Now look what happened. 1 hour, 350 on convection, or 1 hour, 375. Okay? Look at how crispy. And can you hear the crispy? And you just pour those in a bowl. Let those cool for about 10 minutes, and you have an absolutely fantastic crispy chickpea snack. Thanks again to GrandCanyonBeans.com for supplying the chickpeas. I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and this is Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Remember, when you eat well, you live well.
Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.